What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna head to the office right now, get a little bit of work done, have to pick up some carbon fiber mirror caps for an Audi R8 to ship them out, and then after that I have to go meet up with some friends. Look at this nice little Thrasher bag Bree got me for Christmas. Pretty sick. It's a Thrasher slash Herschel bag, like a collab. Pretty sick bag. I almost got this tattooed on me like when I was like 19 years old. I don't know if I would have wanted that on my skin anymore, or like today, but I don't know. It's a sick bag though, because I always had to carry a bunch of stuff in my hands when I would head to the office. In there. And we're good to go. Do we want to take the Nismo? Do we want to take the Supra? Nah, I'm just kidding. Can't take the Supra. Still gotta do an oil change. Been slacking it on that. Look at the Nismo. Just all lonely back here. So I can't keep it anymore. Don't have a garage for it. And it kills me leaving it outside because the Bluesy takes up one garage and the Supra takes up the other. Look at this. All that is smoke from an hour and a half away, or hour away. It's all smoke. Bro, look at that. Man, I haven't been to the office since Christmas, like 2 weeks ago, almost 3 weeks. Look who we have in the video, and he doesn't want to be on camera. Hey buddy, I think he got scared of the big lens on here. Come here buddy, say hi. Say hi, look it. It's okay buddy, it's just a camera. Oh boy, he's scared of it, for sure. Look it, you can see on the screen. Look it. Come on. Are you scared of the lens? Are you scared of the lens? Huh? Look, it's just a camera lens. It's not a gun. It's okay. Come here, buddy. Look it, buddy. Oh my god. I feel bad. I think he actually thinks it's like a weapon. It's okay, buddy. Look, I'm recording myself. Come here. It's alright, buddy. Look it. We're okay. Just a big old lens on this camera. Oh man. Here, buddy, look it. Don't bark at me. I'm giving you food. Some turkey bacon and some egg with no salt, nothing. Because that's what grandma feeds you all the time too. Enjoy, buddy. And don't bark at the lens. It's just a camera. But to clear things up, we don't have Zuko at home anymore. We leave him with Bree's mom because we're never home. Bree's always at work, and then I'm always out and at work or doing something, and we feel really bad leaving him at home alone. Don't want him to get like anxiety or anything like that. And at Bree's parents' house, they have a house, they have a big yard, they have another beagle like him, a few other little chihuahuas. So he likes it there too. He has fun. He loves coming here too though, because we take him to the beach and he loves it here. This is his first home. This is actual home, and I know he loves it here. But yeah, sadly we don't have him here all the time just because we don't like to leave him alone. It hurts me to leave a dog alone. If I had like another dog, then I would be okay with it, but just him alone, I would feel really bad. Dude, he's like bubblegum. He will not leave me or Bree alone. Like, he just walks next to us. I sit on the couch, he sits with us. Like, he just looks at me. Right when we wake up in the morning, he's looking at me like this to see if we're gonna go to the park or what we're gonna do. And he's just like waiting by the door, just wants to go have fun. He's like a little kid. I love him. Come here, buddy. Say hi to the camera. Look, it's okay. How's your food? How's your food, buddy? The food good? Food yummy? Also, don't mind the blankets on the couch, because this dude likes to do that. And then gets hairs everywhere. So as soon as we take him back to grandma's house, we take all these blankets off and the couch is like new. No hairs anywhere, nothing. Because this dude sheds a lot. He's like a little husky. You like a little husky, huh? It's okay, it's just the lens. Gonna cook myself some breakfast, so let's get this done and then we'll take him out to the dog park. Hey, can't get in there. Hey, get up. It's my turkey bacon. Come on. Come on. Get out of there, buddy. Come on. Come on. Or else I'm gonna put the lens on you. You're gonna get scared. Let's go have some fun at the dog park. Maybe go hit the beach for a little bit too. No more dog videos. This dude likes to watch TV all day. You ready, buddy? Let's go. Let's go play. Got his little bag too. Full on dad mode right now. Come on, buddy. I know you're scared of the camera. It's okay. Let's go. Let's head out and go to the dog park. Have a little bit of fun. All right, you ready to go? What car should we take? The Nismo, the Supra, the SVJ, or the 992 RS? Let's take the Honda Civic. That's your favorite car. All right, come on. Up. Good boy. My little co-pilot. He loves to just chill right here in the center. Little paws right there. Hold on. He does not have good grip though. If I have to brake or turn. Ready to go to the park? See, look at, you can see yourself on the screen now. So you know it's just a camera. Look at. You don't want to look at the camera, huh? We're gonna have fun at the park, huh, buddy? I don't treat him like he's a dog. I treat him like he's like an actual human, like my kid. He lives a good life at grandma's house. He loves it there. And he has another home where he can come to have a little vacation and go to the beach and have a good time, huh, buddy? Yes, yes. I know, I love you too. Zuko, you ready? You ready? We made it, look. We made it to the dog park. Let's go. Let's go have some fun. This dude's excited. Let's go. Oh my god. This is why we come, just so you can sniff around. Huh. Dogs here don't really want to play right now. They just want to play with their own ball. He doesn't really like playing with the ball when he's at a big park like this. Just likes to play with the dogs or go sniff around. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You relaxing? You guys are about to see an E90 supercharged gap this car right here. He doesn't think it's fast because it's a BMW. Oh, he has no clue. Alright, Zuko. Let's do our favorite thing at home. He loves to watch TV with me. Watch, when I sit on this couch, he's gonna run over here. Ah, come on! Come on, buddy! Come on! Let's watch TV. Alright. What should we watch? Man, it's beautiful out. It's so nice and fresh. Damn it. We need gas again. Oh, man. Yes, I got a haircut. Starting the morning off a little slow. Morning, it's already like 1 p.m. Still haven't had breakfast though, but hey, shout out to the homie Mac Miller for dropping one last album for us. That's all I listen to is Mac Miller since I was like 16, so I always get stoked when he drops a new album. And since he passed, it's kind of crazy that they still dropped something for him. Doesn't grind. See that? Fifth gear doesn't grind. Because you have to shift really slow in order for it not to grind. Which is cool, because look, watch. Go back into fourth. And I'll go into fifth right now once the road isn't curving, so I don't go into someone else's lane. Whoop. No grind. Oh, 2 cops. Bro. 2 cops just at the light chilling. And I have this big ass thing in the air. If you guys are thinking about starting a business, just start it. It's fun. At least for me, I have fun. I don't stress out easy. Like with work and things like that, I don't stress out. Every job I've ever had, I don't think I've ever stressed out about it. You got a lot of shit going on, it is what it is, you know. Just get it done and don't stress, because stress doesn't help. And for me, it's fun. I'm not stressed out one bit. I'm enjoying the process every single day. So we're moving pretty fast. We're doing a lot at once. If you guys are thinking of starting a business, just do it. I know most people are scared because they're scared of what other people are gonna think, but who cares, bro? Like, you're gonna die one day, and those people aren't even gonna matter anymore. So just do whatever you want to do and enjoy it. Enjoy your life. It's your life, not theirs. Look at this sick Porsche shop next to my office. Look at the sick cars they have. Bro. So sick. I love those Porsches. I'm gonna buy one of those one day. 964, 993. Beautiful cars. This dip always sucks right here. But we good. Let's see who's at the shop. Got one C8, two C8s. Wonder who's here. Doesn't really look like there's much people here. Like there's anyone here. Good thing I pulled up then. So I need to get my package that's coming in right now. Got this Range Rover they're wrapping right now. Where I used the little go-karts yesterday for the first time. So much fun. Things are quick. Which one are you taking? Tuned 570S or the Huracan? Honestly, I might take the 570S. I heard this thing and it's loud. So is the Huracan though, it's straight piped. Alright, no one's here. Alexa, Mac Miller Balloonerism album. Okay, nice. Thank you. Alright, look what we have here. So we have a lot of lips here, so you can see 2 are missing. They're with the photographer right now. A lot of the parts right here right now are missing because we sent off every single item we have in stock to our photographer. That way he can get photos of everything, like really nice product shots. And yeah, he's got those right now. I think he just finished up yesterday. So yeah, looking a little empty in here, but had to set up the last rack we had, which was this one, because we ran out of room. Once we get the next package, there's gonna be really no room in here, so we're gonna have to figure something out. I literally watched this thing drop yesterday. It said there was wood right here when we drilled in, but I guess it's just drywall, so we gotta fix that. That's why I have all the T's right here. I should probably unlock the door just in case our package comes in. Hopefully I don't get copyright with Mac Miller playing in the background. We got some stuff coming in right now. I'll show you guys what it is when it comes in. I'm pretty stoked on it. It's gonna be sick. Not what we have coming in. Well, what we have coming in is part of it, but like the rest of the stuff for it, it's gonna be sick. We still haven't put up our other board up on the wall. It's still right here on the floor because we need to buy one more of those hanging little brackets to put on this side. Belle only had 3 of them. Don't mind any of this stuff written here. I mean, you have this, David is a paisa. That, people just come in here and write random things. Crypto is king. David is queen. No idea when that was written right there. Bree calls me that. Well, we mess around. Inside joke. Got some stocks right here, some crypto. Here, truck. Yo, that Mac Miller bumping. That new album, it's really chill. Ooh, look who's here. Our package is here, and the Nismo looks beautiful. This is where we're gonna put a decal of ours. Right here, a big one on the side. And then we're also gonna put, I think, our logo like up here. It's like the perfect spot for it. Let's go get our package real quick though. It's a little heavy. And this is everything that was inside that box. We got about 200 of the softest microfibers ever. If you guys know me, you guys know that I love washing my car, especially at like 2 in the morning. And I wash my cars a lot, make sure they're always clean. I love really nice microfibers, and these are gonna be really good. So let's open these up, feel them out, and see what they're like. I'm really stoked on these, not gonna lie. Do me a favor, don't use those Costco microfibers. I used those things for years. And then until I finally got some nice ones that were edgeless, and it's a game changer. I can legit finish my whole car with just like 8 microfibers versus with the Costco ones I use maybe like 20 of them. I use like one for each quarter panel because they just get soaked up and like it doesn't absorb water well. They get really wet really fast. And then with these right here, these you'll probably only need like, I don't know, depending on how you clean your car. I usually need maybe about 8 of these. Let's take the golden scissors, chop away. Let's hope that I don't chop any of the Oh, damn, bro, these things are packed. Like 200 microfibers in here. Look how packed they are. It's like a solid brick. Alright, let's. Whew! There they go. I'm guessing there's 50, 50, 50, 50. Bro, these things are soft. Holy. Wow. Yeah, once you go with something like this, that's edgeless, so it's not gonna scratch your paint. This is a game changer right here. Look how nice these are. They're so plush. Wow, these are nice. I had this one from like, I don't know, like for the past 6 years or longer, maybe even like 10 years. Got this one a long time ago, but they stay pretty sturdy and they're almost the exact same. This one's pretty worn out. This is really nice. I wish you guys can feel it. So soft. We wanted to add a little bit of contrast. We wanted to do black and blue, but it was going to take longer to get the black ones. And we kind of wanted them now because we want to shoot some content with them. But later on, we're going to do black for sure. Look how nice these are. This dark blue looks so sick. So nice. Bro, these things, I want to try these out already. I'm probably going to take a few and try them out at the car wash tonight. Maybe wash the Nismo with them. The Nismo does need a wash after the rain the past 2 days. All right, let's head out. We're going to go to Bell's house and do some work over there because one of his computers broke or something like that. And he's got his other one at home and doesn't want to bring it to the office. So we've been working at his place too in the mornings. It's pretty chill though.